Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello, family. Thank you again for tuning in for another exciting episode. And yes, you're welcome to my creative cooking channel in Ndudu by Fafa. Now, today I'll be sharing my aloe vera juice recipe. Now, this juice is packed with oodles of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. And anything that heals the guts and just makes us healthier, why not? So anyway, of course, I got my aloe vera plant. I got this from my local grocer. But equally, if you can get the plant itself and plant it, yes, best. Then it means that all year round you do have your aloe vera, may I say. That's kind of a fiddly thing to, prepare, may I say, of course, because it has that slimy nature of it. But anyway, here I'm just going to be skillfully peeling that skin off whilst I also discuss the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera in itself contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps increase one's blood flow to wounded areas. And it also stimulates the skin cells, which are responsible for healing wounds. So, of course, when one has sunburns or burns, cuts, aloe vera is like your best all natural remedy to sort of like use. So it's important to have that at home. Also, the aloe vera juice, which is of course what I'm making, helps treat digestive conditions. The juice itself would help you detox. So it detoxes your bowel, it neutralizes the acidity in your stomach, and it also relieves you of any constipation and gastric ulcers. So why are you not having this in your kitchen? You can also just blend the gel without any water, and then you end up with like a poultice, and that is perfect to soothe any strains and sprains. So you just apply it directly on the affected area, and it just soothes it and cools it and reduces the swelling of the joint. So yes, another reason we should actually have this. Now, another benefit of aloe vera is it is an expectorant. So when your lungs are congested, just blend the gel of the aloe vera with lemon juice and some water, and you can drink it freely during the day. But of course, this recipe also includes ginger, yes, which I'll be talking about later. But as you can tell, I've skillfully peeled the skin of the aloe vera, and I did use my steak knife, so that I did not injure myself. And I did it in a controlled manner. So yes, and once I do that, I'm just going to give it a rinse at least about 3 to 4 times. Yes, you have to do this before you use your aloe vera, and that gets rid of any toxins or anything that's untoward. Yes, so do not forget to do that, especially if you're going to be digesting the aloe vera. Even though this is an all-natural remedy, particularly if you do have underlying illnesses, it's best to seek advice from a professional before you proceed with this recipe. Reason being, you might be on certain medication, or there might be certain components of the ingredients in here that might affect your medication, and you might end up with a side effect. So please do so. To my remedy, I will be adding cucumber, which of course is low in calories. It contains a good amount of water and soluble fiber. So this makes it ideal for promoting hydration of the skin, and it also aids weight loss. So why not? And as you can tell, I've got my lemon as well, and vitamin C. Absolutely, we need that. The next ingredient is my unpeeled ginger juice recipe, and I have covered that in a previous video. I'll leave a link in the description box and also pin it at the top so you can familiarize yourself with it. I've infused it with cloves and grains of selenium, which of course have their own benefits, but I've gone into details about those in that video, so it is a must watch. So here I'm just going to be juicing my lemon, absolutely. So this makes it much easier. Now, continuing about the benefits of aloe vera, there's one important one that I think I have missed. Now, aloe vera helps heal the pancreas and liver. Absolutely. So it's one that you should include in your diet, and particularly as you can enjoy it in between meals. Personally, I like to enjoy it before I have a meal, as I mentioned earlier, because it helps with the free bowel movement. So yes, this is a must-try recipe. So of course, I've added my ginger juice and I'm going to add my aloe vera gel to it. And I'll be blending this beauty together until it's nice and smooth and silky. Mwah. In fact, I mean, there was no need for me to strain this. This can be enjoyed straight away. But yeah, equally, if you're like me, you like to strain stuff as well, you can do so. So I've just strained the aloe vera juice into the lemon juice, which also includes the cucumber. And this just looks lovely. Absolutely. So this, you should make it on the day and enjoy it on the day. Exactly, throughout the day. Is exactly what I did. And look at that beautiful, like, how would I even call it? Granny Smith green color. Now, you can enjoy this on its own. But then again, if you've got that sweet tooth, then yes, you can try some honey. And I'm using the by Ndudu raw honey, which has got that mint flavor in it. Absolutely delicious. And yeah, grab a bottle or two from my website by ndudu.com. And I'm mixing all of this together. And of course, enjoy a glass now and refrigerate the rest and have it during the day. Now, I hope you're definitely inspired to try this recipe. And if you do, please do leave a comment or two. Yes, and if you do like this kind of videos as well, please click the like button. So that will be indicative of the kind of videos that I do share with each and every one of you. And I have got incredible juice recipes and smoothies as well. I'll leave a link in the description box. You've got like the cucumber skin juice. I've got lemonade and thyme infusion, the wild melon seeds, red milk, yes, strawberry lemonade. And you know what, you can also infuse some of these juices with the herby blend that is available on my website by ndudu.com, which has got all natural seasonings, spice blends that are clay smoked, absolutely delicious, quite unique. You won't find them anywhere apart from by Ndudu. So yeah, do grab a bottle or two or share with a family and friend. Absolutely. And they do make great gifts as well. Yes, because everything comes gift wrapped. Anyway, you will find traditional African recipes on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. So do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa. So do pass by and say hi. And I'm also on TikTok, yes, as by Ndudu and Ndudu by Fafa. So pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until my next recipe with you, kings and queens and beautiful souls, thank you ever so much for gracing me with your presence today. Please don't forget to like the video, share with your family and friends, save it, yes, try the recipe, tag, hashtag, Ndudu made me do this. Yes, me, I love you for you. Thank you. And until my next video, toodles, take care of you.